In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the 400. That's an error message in Google Chrome on Windows. This error usually means that something has gone wrong with the way your browser is talking to a website. Most of the time, it's related to corrupted cookies, a bad cache, or an issue with an extension. I'll walk you through several reliable fixes step by step, and you can try them in order until the problem goes away. First, let's start with the simplest solution: clearing your browser data. Open Google Chrome on your Windows computer. In the top right corner, click on the three dots to open the menu. From there, move your mouse down and click on Settings. On the left side, choose Privacy and Security, then click on Clear Browsing Data. A small window will pop up. Make sure time range is set to All Time, and at minimum, select Cookies and Other Site Data, and Cached Images and Files. Be aware that this will sign you out of most websites, so you may need to log in again afterward. When you're ready, click Clear Data and wait for it to finish. Then close and reopen Chrome and test the website again. If you are seeing the error on just one specific site, another option is to clear data only for that site. Click the lock or info icon next to the website's address at the top. Then choose Site Settings. In that page, look for any buttons that let you clear data, such as Clear Data or Reset Permissions. After that, reload the page and see if it works. Next, let's check if an extension is causing the problem. Go back to the three-dot menu in the top right, hover over More Tools, and click Extensions. You'll see a list of everything installed. Temporarily turn off all extensions by toggling the switches off. Then restart Chrome and try visiting the site again. If the error is gone, turn your extensions back on one by one, testing the site each time until you find the one that triggers the error. You can then remove that extension or look for an alternative. If the issue persists, try resetting Chrome settings. Open the three-dot menu. Go to Settings. Then on the left, click Reset Settings. Choose the option that says something like Restore settings to their original defaults. Confirm your choice. This will reset your startup page, new tab, search engine, and disable extensions, but it will not delete your bookmarks or saved passwords. Once it's done, close and reopen Chrome and test the site again. If none of these steps fix the 400 error, it may be a problem on the website side or with your network. You can quickly confirm by trying the same site in a different browser, or even on another device, using the same internet connection. If it fails everywhere, the issue is likely not your Chrome browser, and you may just need to wait for the site to resolve it. Follow these steps patiently, and in most cases, you'll be able to get rid of the 400. That's an error message in Chrome on Windows, and get back to browsing normally.